Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I will show you the new recipe of the scrambled eggs. But in the beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel and activate the bell. What's in an egg? Loads of good stuff, like high-quality protein, because the eggs are a perfect protein, vitamin A and B vitamins, unsaturated fat, along with minerals and antioxidants. The yolk contains vitamin D, lutein, a carotenoid protects the eyes against cataracts, and age-related macular degeneration. And let's not forget choline, a nutrient associated with brain health. All this good stuff, and yet only about 70 calories per large egg. Low cost, low calorie, loads of quality nutrition. That's the egg for you. A note on cholesterol. Not long ago, eggs were considered something akin to cholesterol bombs. Well, times and nutritional advice change. New research indicates that eating eggs won't increase the risk of heart disease. Essentially, this new advice acknowledges that eating cholesterol in foods and eggs to include cholesterol doesn't necessarily translate to higher cholesterol in blood. There's a caveat here for people with diabetes or who are in danger of getting diabetes, but for most people the danger that cholesterol eaten in food will result in higher cholesterol in the body is weak. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you in your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Now after we are known the benefits of eggs, let us got to know our new method for the scrambled eggs. The ingredients: to make scrambled eggs for two, you'll need 5 to 7 eggs, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh parsley and other herbs add flavor and visual appeal, but they're completely optional. The method: crack eggs into a bowl that's deep enough for some serious whisking. It is preferable to test eggs in a small bowl. Now add some salt. Using a hand mixer to whisk is perfectly fine. Just be sure to whisk the eggs until all of the yolks and whites are thoroughly mixed together and become creamy. Melt a teaspoon of butter or oil or a combination of both in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Both add rich flavor to the eggs and help prevent sticking. When the butter starts to bubble, slowly pour in the egg mixture. Immediately reduce the heat to medium-low. Turning the eggs until almost all of the egg mixture has cooked. If you like to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.